Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix you can't run ads in Instagram app. So if you're trying to create or run any ad on Instagram app, but the app says that you couldn't do it, you're not authorized, or maybe you can't run ads, then this could be a glitch in the app or maybe any issue with the account. So in that case, we will see what we can do to fix this issue. So first you have to simply open your Instagram app, and once app gets open, you will be onto its homepage. Now from all these options, you have to click on the profile icon which is on the right bottom of the screen. Once you tap onto that icon, you will be into your profile. Once you get into profile, on the top right you will see the three lines. Click onto these three lines and you will be into settings and activity. So just simply tap onto these three lines. Once you get there, you have to simply scroll down and find the help. Once you see that option, click onto it, and after that you have to click onto this option, report a problem, or you can also shake your phone, you will get there. But first you can check out if any violations there, so you can just simply go for appeal. But if no violations there, then you have to just simply submit a report. But let's say if you have the violations, then you will also see the option for appeal. Click onto it, then you will submit your appeal. Otherwise, in the report a problem, you can just simply explain your scenario, what is going on with your account, why you couldn't run the ads. If there's anything wrong, just simply fix it. And that's how you will be able to run ads on Instagram app. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it. For more informative videos and updates, leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.